Oh my god! Oh! Bro, why is this so. Hey, you! Everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I was scrolling through YouTube and I've encountered this woman. She goes by the name of Halle. Alright? Bear this in mind, guys. It's my first time knowing about Halle. Okay, and I do not know what she's capable of, and the reason why I'm here reacting to her music, it's because I'm not sure if she's of any listening in my country, Jamaica. So I'm here to learn, I'm here to understand, I'm here to see what she's capable of in this musical diaspora. Okay, you guys supposed to know Bob Marley. Yes, Bob Marley is Jamaica's best reggae artist, even though he's already deceased, but he's Jamaican best reggae artist. No one can test. No one. Okay, so you all know that Jamaica consists of reggae and dancehall. I'm here to learn about this woman because in my country, this music isn't a part of the Jamaican diaspora musically. So I'm just learning about music across the world, worldwide. Okay, so people, I'll be reacting to Braveface by Halle official music video. So guys, with that being said, let's see what Halle have to say in this reaction. She's looking gorgeous here, bro. Very good looking.
Sitting on the floor, caught up in a ball, looking in the mirror, and I feel so fucking small.
So she's saying that she's sitting on the floor, one up in the bar, feeling so small. Alright, so I guess she's expressing why she's there. Okay, I guess she's expressing, what's going on.
Then I grab my makeup back.
Wow. So guys, look, this song is sounding so good. Alright. She grabs her makeup kit, right? Shuffling it around. Self-esteem on the ground. Guys, remember, her self-esteem is on the ground. Her standard is being lowered. Alright? Because why? She's feeling so tired. She's feeling so exhausted. Wow. Wow, this is like a real life story. Woman in general. So she's gonna do like the girl do best. Cover up the pain. The workplace these women went to. Alright? They use the makeup a lot. Because the makeup literally makes you look like a complete different person. Alright? You're going to work to and from. Alright? And you use that makeup just so you could look appropriate for the people's work. Just because you guys do not want to look so depressed, you keep a smile on your face just because of the makeup. Wow. Step 1. She rubs on the foundation. She's setting herself to be that great individual beneath the makeup. Wow. Guys, I mean, like, this song is so freaking deep. Whoa! Whoa. Whoa, this song is practically a deep song. I can feel her music, bro. Whoa, I hope they can understand why she's using all this makeup. I do hope they can understand. She's saying F flaws. Alright? That's why she puts on that brave face. Alright? She's remaining militant. She's making sure that, hey, I'm exhausted. I'm tired. Wow. Wow, this song is practically just amazing. And it's a song that is going for the women. Alright? The reason why she uses all this makeup, it's because she's hiding the flaws. Because makeup can hide away the brave face, it can hide away the happy face, it can hide away all the faces. Alright? Damn, bro, like deep music. Her voice is such a mesmerizingly beautiful voice. And the message here is just superb. Right? Great artist. Whoa. And she's just having her guard up. Hey, you should keep on doing your music. This music is so deep. I can feel every bit of word is playing from you. What? She's gonna do, oh my god, she's gonna do what the girls do best and cover up the pain. Like this moment, why am I wearing this makeup? Like, why am I doing all this? Sometimes the work that we're in, sometimes the work that these females are in, so strayed far away in the work that sometimes they totally forgotten where they are from, totally forgotten why they even started this work in the first place. Bro, this is a real life situation. And it's not just for she only, but the males also who are partaking in jobs as well. I'm working 24/7. Alright? And sometimes I do not know why am I here working. Like my assignment instruction is not there. But I have to work. So what she's talking about here is just facts. She doesn't even know how she get there. But because of the work, because of what she have to do, she have to put on that brave face. I can attest to that. Trust me. Fuck that flaws. I gotta be strong. That's how I put my brave face on. Most definitely. Definitely. My god! Oh! Bro, her voice is so freaking good! Oh my goodness! She just want to feel good. Because trust me, this generation is third as fuck. Sometimes we doesn't even know how we're feeling. But we just want to feel good. Wow! Impressive. She's impressive. She's touching on some very salient point here. It's top notch. It's like it's just, you know, it's just coming out. It's just letting all out. Very good. She just wanna feel good. And you don't have to worry yourself, baby girl. You're doing you. You're doing excellently. And your music speaks a lot. Well done. Well done. Wow. Wow, she looks sexy. She looks outstanding. Her music, she's a complete package. She's a complete package. Yeah, so a very great artist. Very great artist. And her music is just pure bars. Very good. Very good. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican react. I'll see you guys in another reaction.